Hi, second graders. It's Mr. Schaefer. I am here to talk to you more about shapes today. So yesterday we learned about composing shapes. Today we're going to learn about decomposing shapes. So if composing shapes was putting them together, what do you think decomposing means? If you guessed taking them apart, you were right. So can I also decompose or break apart polygons and identify the shapes that happen as a result? Let's find out. Do you remember what this shape is called? Well, this shape is a polygon because it is a closed figure and the lines don't cross. The shape is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. That's a new word. You're going to be learning about a lot of quadrilaterals. This shape is also called a trapezoid because it has one set of lines that will never cross, parallel lines. On the top and the bottom of this trapezoid, we see parallel lines. If this line goes on forever, it will never cross this line. You'll learn more about parallel lines tomorrow. So if you knew that the shape was a trapezoid, you were right. But it is also a polygon and a quadrilateral. All right, we're going to practice decomposing the trapezoid so that it makes 2 other shapes. Let's practice by placing the shapes on top of it. Now look at this shape. What shapes could you put on top of a trapezoid to make a trapezoid? Okay, I just put a triangle on top of it. Now what would fit right here? It looks like maybe it would fit a rhombus. But not quite, because the sides aren't all equal lengths like a rhombus. So this is a new shape, and it's called a parallelogram. That's a really hard word to say. Practice it with me. Parallelogram. Now try to say it 3 times really fast. Go. All right, if you did it, you can kiss your brain. A parallelogram has 2 sets of parallel lines, or lines that will never cross, no matter how far they go. Let's see what this looks like. So on the top and the bottom, these are parallel lines. You see how if the line went on and on and on, it would never cross this other line? It would just go on and on and on and never ever cross because they're the same distance apart all the way down. So these 2 are parallel lines. Also, these lines on the right side and the left side are also parallel lines. They'll never ever cross, no matter how far they go. They're always going to be the same distance apart. So these are also parallel lines on these 2 sides. So with 2 sets of parallel lines, this shape is called a parallelogram. Now we're going to practice decomposing the parallelogram and identifying the new shapes that we can make. Here's one triangle. What can fit on the other side? It's another triangle. So 2 triangles we could fit on top of a parallelogram. All right, your turn. You're going to decompose shapes yourself using the worksheet that's found on the class story. Again, you can draw and write down your own answers, or if you can print off the worksheet and do it that way. Either way, you can upload it to your portfolio when you're finished. All right, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye, guys.